guys, welcome to this video. I'm going to clean my makeup brushes today using this new machine that I got. That's like kind of an automatic spin cleaner and dryer. My basic strategy for my makeup brushes is to buy a lot of them and swap them out every week and then wait until absolutely necessary, like I've used every single brush, to clean them. So I have probably like 6 containers full of brushes that I have to clean. I'm definitely not going to record all of it because that would be kind of crazy, but I'm going to record one of like each group, like a face brush, an eye brush, like a liner brush or whatever. So I just bought this. It's a, as they would like to call it, revolutionary electronic makeup brush cleaner and dryer. It's basically just one of these spin brushes and containers. They have multiple sizes, so you can fit your brush into pretty much any of these, or not into any of them, but there's one for any size brush. And it's supposed to be simple. I've never seen a great review on this, but I still feel like it has to be better than manually doing like 100 brushes on my own with my hand. I feel like it's gonna help me at least like not have to use as much muscle strength. So we'll see. Stay tuned.
Why don't we talk no more? I've been trying to figure it out. Why don't we talk no more, baby? I know that you think about it too. Why don't we talk no more, baby? I've been trying to figure it out. Why don't we talk no more? Yeah. I know that you think about it too. You say that you want me, then you just go. My heart has been broken many times before. You're always avoiding telling the truth. Tell me what's up, or how do you do? Yeah. Why don't we talk no more? Why don't we talk no more? Talk no more. With all our history, it's a mystery that we don't talk no more, baby. You say that you think about it too. Why don't we talk no more? Yeah. With all our history, it's a mystery that we don't talk no more. Yeah. You say that you think about it too. You say that you want me, then you just go. My heart has been broken many times before. You're always avoiding telling the truth.
So all of my brushes are clean. It worked pretty well, but like an honest review, it was pretty much the same amount of time that it would take me to do them by hand. And it also made my brush cleaner in the bowl froth up. So I feel like I was using more brush cleaner. So I'm pretty sure it cost me more money to clean the same amount of brushes, but the drying was pretty amazing. I was able to just put my brushes up right away instead of leaving them overnight to dry because it spun them dry. So I don't know. I think I'll probably still just clean them by hand and do like slowly so it doesn't froth up as much, but I'll use it to dry all my brushes so that they can just sit all nice and pretty in their little containers. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.